Every day is a new story, a new victim, a new defendant, and no 2 days are the same, and I love that every day is so varied. My name's Nasima. I'm a Crown Court clerk. I've been working in the Crown Court for about 4 years now. The main role of the court clerk is making sure that your court is running smoothly. So getting your court from A to B, start of the day till the end of the day. And it's also about case progression. So making sure that a case is going from start to finish with no issues whatsoever. I do care about people a lot. Whether they are a defendant, a victim, counsel, my colleagues. A couple of weeks back, we had a juror who, as soon as I read the indictment, heard some big scary words, and she was so upset. She said to me that she couldn't do this trial. We let her sleep on it overnight because sometimes that does help when you've come to court and been overwhelmed by it all, because you have to remember, for a new person coming to court, it is overwhelming. I've been here for 4 years, so I'm absolutely used to it, and a normal person who we've literally plucked off the street, they are not used to coming to court. The next morning, she was still very upset. She didn't want to proceed with the trial. We established that she hadn't been a victim of crime or been around this type of thing, but she was just very overwhelmed with things that were in the media similar to these types of offences. And I told her that it's absolutely fine being upset. She was saying to me at the end of it, she was like, "Oh, you've really changed my mind." And I said, "We need people like you on the jury. The jury is about having 12 people from all different walks of life. She is not a bad juror because she's getting emotional and being upset." As a clerk, you have to think 10 steps ahead of everyone. I think that is a key part of our role, problem solving, and we have to just look at the bigger picture. The best part is probably getting to the end of the case and seeing the result. Whether it's justice for the victim or whether it's justice for the defendant. I have a passion for justice, just the justice system, getting justice for both defendants and victims, because at the end of the day, our job in the court is making sure that everybody has a fair chance. It needs to be fair, and that's our job.